We want to park our van there. We are wondering what the sign says, because it's all Greek to me. We did change our spot because this gorgeous place has these amazing green pine trees and gorgeous, beautiful Mediterranean sea. It's so turquoise and blue when the sun is shining. So this is good spot because there's no neighbors, nothing. We are just surrounded by the beautiful nature. And bunch of cats, of course. There's a plenty of cats. It's not so nice to see. Yeah, but they look happy and somewhat fat. Daily activities is walking by this gorgeous seashore. Yeah, it's really long, so you can walk here like all day long and never reach the end point. I wish we could see some dolphins, but the waves are kind of big there. And we did Google this place, and it's one of the most top beaches to come in Greece, like top 5.
We went actually to the best beach in Greece, and the front photo was from this bay.
And some part of Greece the water is so translucent and clear that you can see the boats, that they are almost like floating in the air. We are walking by this beautiful shore, and there's plenty of these abandoned camps that somebody maybe spent time here during the
summer months. I mean months or years.
Yeah.
There has been quite many actually these semi-permanent caravans, and also just like camps like this. And seems like they are occupied sometimes, because for example, one beach on the other peninsula, there was a caravan that were people there on the weekends. So people just bring caravans to stranded beaches and just enjoy the place. But they are in a nice place, so I don't blame. And I have never seen them getting evicted. So wild camping with your van is not a problem in Greece. Went for a little walk just on the end of this bay. There is a 5-star resort, really expensive looking resort over there, and yeah, some semi-permanent camps we saw more. So there has been people living on this beach, and during the summer months there are some bars open on that end of the beach. But this woodside area, yeah, it's full of these little spots and corners where you can actually park your van and enjoy the beach life. And yeah, I don't blame. This is one of the most beautiful places that we have been. And what comes to the Park Fortnite comments, there was hundreds and hundreds of comments and reviews of the place. So this is really popular during the summer months. And I don't blame, because you can get your van on the shades. You don't die on the heat, because most of these places in Greece, or not most, but some of them, they have no shade. So you are boiling inside your van. But here you are nestled just between these really nice trees. Yeah, really nice day. It promised rain, but luckily for us the rain isn't here, but the rain is on the mainland. We are on the end of the peninsula, so this has this effect on the rain. It hardly rains at all. Yeah, coming back to the van, gonna let the Pulla out to wander around, because Pulla loves a lot just wandering around on our camp. Just being there, sniffing really slowly, just like Dino. Yeah, old dog. I think it's really normal.
I enjoy living in our camper van very much. We can just park our home a mini kitchen next to these gorgeous places. We spent here for a few nights and days, and then we can just cook our favorite meals and admire these beautiful sceneries while we eat. It's really great feeling. I think this is the best way to travel and almost best way to live. Chilly vibes.
Chili wipes.
A lot of chilly vibes.
There was a dolphins.
We saw morning dolphins. We had to jump out of the bed to come to see them. They swim here.
Yeah, they come with the fish swarms.
Yeah.
On this base. Really nice.
Good start of the day. Kalimera, beautiful Greece. Gorgeous silent place to spend the night. The sea is kind of loud. There's some rock slabs underneath the water, so they make a lot of noise when the waves hit by. Early mornings are my favorite moments of the day because nature hasn't really woken up. The day hasn't really started. We should really have like a professional camera and not this wide angle one to show you all the details. But there is dolphins behind me. Weather changes during the winter time so quickly. It's really important to go outside to enjoy when it's not really cloudy or rainy. Yeah. Also daylights are really short. They are incredibly short here. Let's get this day started.